السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Bismillah, walhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalam ala rasulillah wa ba'd. Welcome back to the second video about Kasra. In this video, we have two more segments for you, and we're going to be pronouncing more words with Kasra so you get that extra practice. Let's begin with set 2. First word. A-si-da. Asida. Asida. Next word. Wa-thi-qa. Wathiqa. Wathiqa. Next word. Za-ri-da. Zarida. Zarida. Next word. A-li-ma. Alima. Alima. Next word. Da-ri-na. Darina. Darina. Next word. A-li-fa. Alifa. Alifa. Next word. Wa-ri-tha. Waritha. Waritha. Next word. Za-ri-qa. Zariqa. Zariqa. Next word. A-hi-da. Ahida. Ahida. Next word. Da-ri-ba. Dariba. Dariba. Again, a reminder to all of you with the ra. I know in the last video we mentioned that the ra, when it has a kasra, it's going to be light. But just a reminder, I want you to remember that. Don't pronounce it as dariba with an English R. And don't make it bold, dariba, right? Daraba. All right. Next line. A-si-fa. Asifa. Asifa. Next word. Wa-ji-a. Waji'a. Waji'a. Next word. Sa-i-ma. Sa'ima. Sa'ima. Next word. A-mi-la. Amila. Amila. Next word. Da-bi-qa. Dabiqa. Dabiqa. Last line. A-shi-ra. Ashira. Ashira. Next word. Wa-si-a. Wasi'a. Wasi'a. Next word. Za-i-ra. Za'ira. Za'ira. Next word. Qa-bi-la. Qabila. Qabila. Last word. Da-ni-a. Dani'a. Dani'a. Great job. Let's move on to the final segment in this video. This is going to be set 3. Let's begin with the first word here. A-si-na. Asina. Asina. Next word. Wa-hi-ma. Wahima. Wahima. Next word. Ha-mi-da. Hamida. Hamida. Next word. Fa-hi-da. Fahida. Fahida. Next word. Sa-hi-da. Sahida. Sahida. Next line. A-wi-da. Awida. Awida. Next word. Wa-hi-na. Wahina. Wahina. Next word. Ha-fi-dha. Hafidha. Hafidha. Next word. Fa-hi-da. ma, fahima, fahima. Next word, ma, hi, ra, mahira, mahira. Next line, a, mi, ra, amira, amira. Next word, wa, khi, ma, wakhima, wakhima. Next word, sa, hi, ba, sahiba, sahiba. Next word, la, I, ba, la'iba, la'iba. Last word, ya, bi, sa, yabisa, yabisa. We have one more line, but remember in this line, we do something called find the mistake. And here in this last part, I'm going to pronounce a word and it's going to be incorrect, and you're going to have, it may be incorrect, right? It may be correct, but your job is to try and find the mistake if there is a mistake. So let's begin with the first word there. Ra'ama, ra'ama. Where was my mistake? It was in the hamza, the alif. I pronounced it with a fatha. I said ra'a, and it should have been I, ra'ima. Ra'ima is the correct pronunciation. Let's go to the next word. Wajila, wajila. Did you find the mistake? All the symbols are correct, but the mistake was in the middle letter. I pronounced it as a jim, and it should have been a ha. Wahila is the correct pronunciation. Next word. Ghalidha, ghalidha. Did you catch the mistake? Again, all the symbols are correct. The only mistake was the letter at the end. I pronounced it as a dha, and it should have been a ta. Ghalidha. Okay, all right. Next word. Sakhata, sakhata. Did you catch the mistake? It's with the symbol. All letters are correct, but the middle letter, I gave it a fatha, and it should have had a kasra. Sakhita, sakhita. Last word. Ya'isi, ya'isi. Did you find the mistake? Last letter. I pronounced it with a kasra, and it should have had a fatha. Ya'isa. So remember to pay attention to where the symbol appears, because it'll change the sound of the letter. Jazakumullah khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.